Just wanted to add something in real quick. I picked this this whatever storage case, 20 bin storage case to and actually it organized the valve train pretty well. Like not bad. Probably won't use these valves again, honestly. Two of them are bent pretty bad. You can see right there. Yeah, so I'll take it apart. No, this is junk. I have to scrap it. The other one, still have to drop it off the machine shop. Yeah, I just want to throw this quick tip in. If anyone needs help organizing or this helps anyone, you know, definitely helped me. I thought about it earlier. Oh, also, bolt tray, some sensors, stuff in the head, exhaust bolts, whatnot. And more oil pan bolts in there too. But yeah, a little organization for small spaces, if you will.